This is lesson 2-18. I can perform multi-digit multiplication with up to 1 digit by 4 digits. A movie theater has 287 crates of popcorn. Each crate holds 8 pounds of popcorn. There are 13 people who work at the theater. How many pounds of popcorn are there altogether? No, the movie theater has 287 crates of popcorn. Each crate holds 8 pounds of popcorn. I also know 13 people work at the theater. But the question isn't asking about the people who work at the theater. So this is extra information that I'm going to cross out. The question is asking how many pounds of popcorn are there all together. So I know I'm going to have to multiply. So first I'm going to start with my estimate. So I know I'm going to have to do 287 times 8. I'm going to round to the hundreds place. So I look to the right, it's an 8, 5 or bigger, I add 1. So 287 is closer to 300. Then I'm just going to leave the 8 because it's just 1 digit in the ones place. I know 8 times 3 is 24. And then I have 2 zeros. So I can use my zero trick. So my estimate is 2,400. Now I'm ready to actually find the answer and solve the problem. So we have 287 times 8. I'm going to use expanded notation. To do that, I'm going to break apart 287 by place value. First, I start with the 2. I know that is really not just 2, but 200 times 8. Then I move on to the 8, which is in the tens place, so it's really 80 times 8. And then I move on to the 7, which is in the ones place, so it is just 7. Now I'm going to multiply. 200 times 8. 2 times 8 is 16, and I have 2 zeros. 8 times 8 is 64. Actually, I want to write this so it's lined up. So 8 times 8 is 64, and I have 1 0. Then I have 7 times 8, which is 56. So now I've found my 3 partial products. I'm going to add them up. 0 plus 0 plus 6 is 6. 0 plus 4 plus 5, well, that's 9. 6 plus 6 is 12. Carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So my final answer is 2,296. I need to label my answer pounds. Now my estimate was 2,400, and 2,296 is pretty close to my estimate. So I know that my answer is reasonable. I'm going to circle it so that I know which one is the answer. All right, guys, today you learned to multiply multi-digit numbers.
Nala, say hi to the kids.